Hi, this is Ricky with National Consumer Advocate. Thanks so much for checking out my video series. First, let me say how excited I am about the opportunity to make money on the side, without working, by hosting a Helium Hotspot at home or work. This opportunity has made life a little easier for thousands of people with an extra $50, $100, or even $1,000 a month. These hotspots are easy to set up and very safe. A hotspot miner can pay back your starting costs within days, and your profits can go on for years. There are 3 basic ways to make money with Helium Hotspot Miners. In this video series, I'll explain what those are, and you can decide if one of them is right for you. If you decide you don't want to host a hotspot, at least you'll have all the information you need to make the best choice for you. I recommend that you watch these videos in order. If you like them, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be releasing more videos to help you make even more money with helium mining. If you decide to get a hotspot, please don't wait. Hotspots are exclusive for each neighborhood area location. It's first come, first served. I hope you'll join on my team. It won't cost you anything extra, and I'll do my best to help you make even more money. You can get started now with the first video, or if you like, you can go straight to my website